to the channel. It's your boy DaeDae, you feel me? I feel like I haven't spoke to you on the wall. My boy AJ in the back walking up. I feel like I haven't spoke to you on the wall. You haven't seen me. But look, I got a surprise for y'all. I can't really show y'all too much, but just know I'm doing something a little bit big.
Sheesh. Good stuff going on.
Yes, sir. So, y'all know where to come for all the good parts, all the go fast parts. AJ in the back act like, say what's up.
What's the deal? Yeah, go follow me on Instagram.
Shout your Instagram out.
Too Greasy AJ.
So man, look, y'all stay tuned for the next build. I wasn't supposed to tell y'all that.
You got that plate, and you get this, and this things across the bottom. Well, what am I going to do with all this stuff? I just figured, you know, it'd be real simple, just put everything on there. Then I got these spare parts. Yeah.
If you put this one on here.
You got to take the motor off? Yeah. So I just unplugged this thing.
Oh, you said they don't come with those.
I didn't see those, but they give you all these.
One, two, three, four.
Yeah. And you
That's these. That's to mount the motor.
Yeah. Then you got these.
Right.
What's going on? How you doing, Mr. Clean?
Oh my God.
It's the homie right here, El Chingon.
This guy's the one that's got all the money. This big Hefe right there. big macho wad in that pocket. That's green.
I better not believe that.
That
Shit.
jingles.
If you new, I appreciate you. If you're returning, I also appreciate you. You know, I see all my subscribers and supporters up at Iski's and all over through LA. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Here we bringing the OG. I'm talking about when I was a kid and Dennis used to bring me out. And it's just a rundown. He got some crazy stuff that I can't understand or articulate or explain to y'all. But I'm gonna let the man do it himself. We bringing on Fast Mike, man. What's going on, Fast Mike?
What's up, people? How y'all doing out there, man? No, man, I'm just an OG racer, man. You know, don't brag, don't boast, but I got all the big stuff, man. Just humble, man. Try to have fun, you know. Race this weekend, man. They kind of did me dirty, man. You know, just DQ'd me for say I crossed the line 20 bikes ahead. When he said if you're in the front, it don't matter. So we watched it, all the races, everybody on the line. And why I got to be the one to get through out? You know what I'm saying? I'm the heaviest. But it's all good, man. You know, I like to be the fastest. I will be the fastest. I built this small block right here, you know, to compete with the other small blocks, because nobody want to race the big blocks. But you know, this ready. It's right. People saw what I did out there the other night. You know what I'm saying? I was just a smidget of what I'm about. I've been racing, man. As I was a little kid, I used to be the jockey for the OGs way back in the day, man. I had bikes, man. So I may be about, what, 12, 13? I'm 54 now, so this is all I know, man. I've just been accumulating all the good stuff, building, and I build my own engines too. I build my own engine, my own fabrication, so I'm pretty much rounded as far as the mini bike game, though. But I just like to be the fastest. You know, everybody got them bikes out there. Tournament just passed. Look for me, and I'll be riding my own bike, 210 pounds, snatching them little niggas like it ain't nothing.
And this is the beast that he was riding in during the tournament, y'all. Y'all seen this man Superman, this bike. I'm talking
210 pounds.
Yeah, 210 pounds. Really just laid on this bike like it was nothing.
Somebody clocked me at 93 out there when the little kids.
See? 93. Y'all heard
Yeah,
it.
210 pounds, clocked me at 93 on this motherfucker.
See?
And guess what? It ain't even geared for me. It's geared for my jockey Home Alone. Ain't even geared for me.
Yeah.
Let me gear it for me and see what happens.
Yeah. Y'all know Home Alone's a legend out in Compton. Home Alone is one of the fastest jockeys out here, man. This dude. These bikes are insane.
That's the 8th mile.
Eighth
Whoever
mile.
want to get it in the 8th mile, they can get it in the 8th mile right there, baby. Oh, that's it.
All right.
That's the one right there.
And most of your bikes are toy converters. Why?
Oh man, that's power, man. A clutch, you get your power like maybe a few feet out. Tuck converter, everything you got right now, balls out. Hold on, lock yourself in, lift your feet up. We're gonna go straight. Only way somebody gonna crash on one of my bikes, they do something stupid.
Right.
All my shit is just custom, man. They ride great, they fast, just smooth, man.
Yeah.
Reason why I call it Flood is for my son, rest in peace. You know, he passed away a few years ago. That was his nickname, and so I wanted to make something to how do you say remember him for. So that was his nickname, man. I love him to death, man. Yeah, Charles got it for me. That's where I got it from. The one on that back I bought from Charles years ago. I still got it. Kept rebuilding it. Just rebuilt that one a few months ago. That bike been sitting there, man. Once I tested, it just sitting there. This one right here, this is a jack shaft bully. Four discs. This is what I had the other night, and the discs are worn down too. Just imagine if the discs wasn't worn down, I'd have jumped out the whole lot better. It's all about that leaving, that motion, man. You wanna, when you racing off the line, you wanna be able to push off and catch your bike right at that turn on point, so it won't have to turn on down the track. It'll turn on right there and pull you out. That's why I caught that little kid. You push off right when the power band hit. You gotta know exactly where it's at. I know I'm a racer. I know where to hit that power band and get the fuck on real quick. That's a 3 3/4 Rhino. All the bells, all the whistles, man. That's maybe about 50-some horsepower right there. They got everything. Bells and whistles, that's mean for a term for all the good stuff. When I was a kid, I used to always hear the racers say that, all the bells and whistles. When I used to watch the guy race the race cars on Mansville years ago, they just stuck with me. Bells and whistles mean they got all the good stuff. LA Cali mini bike racing, baby, is to the max right now, baby. We just need to go ahead and we should have a tournament every 3-4 months, man, on the real. That's just how I feel, you know. It should be not more than just one every one. It should be like every 3-4 months, man. The summer, we should have at least 3 in the summertime, man. Everybody always building something new. Everybody always getting faster. Everybody always getting better at what they do. So I think it should be more than just one tournament, you know. But I ain't putting the money up, so I ain't really tripping on that. But we could do it, you know. Somebody get together and put another tournament together. For summer in, we race D-Red. He won that money, right? Put something up together, another tournament. He got to defend that crown. Not next year, not next 2 years, this summer.
We just kind of stopped by at Fast Mike House. I want everybody to say, what's up?
What's up?
Appreciate
Eastside Racing, baby. Look out. This summer going to be a summer to remember, baby.
For sure.
Faster, and faster.
I'm out of here. I'll see y'all later. I'm finna go to the shop. I got a surprise for y'all. I haven't told y'all. Some people do know if you see me in person, but stay tuned.